Today, we're discussing what to look for in manufacturers of medical-grade balls, which are crucial components in many medical devices. Let's dive in. Check for ISO and other specific certifications your product may require. This will ensure that the manufacturer meets international quality standards, which is critical for reliability and safety. Next, evaluate the manufacturer's capabilities. They should offer a wide range of sizes and materials and have the ability to produce parts with precise tolerances and finishes. This versatility ensures they can meet the specific demands of different medical applications. Material expertise is another key factor. Look for manufacturers experienced with stainless steel, glass, and ceramic. These materials provide benefits such as durability, biocompatibility, and resistance to corrosion, which are essential for medical applications. Customization options are also crucial. Ensure the manufacturer can tailor their product to meet your specific needs, including custom sizes or materials. This flexibility is vital for specialized medical applications. You don't want to redesign your product due to a supplier's inability to customize. Thorough documentation and traceability are essential for regulatory compliance. This ensures that every step of the manufacturing process is documented, providing transparency and accountability. Finally, confirm that the manufacturer adheres to regulatory standards, such as those set by the FDA and EMA. Compliance with these standards ensures the safety and effectiveness of medical devices. For more detailed insights and information, visit our website. Thanks for watching. See you next time.